Hi guys, in this video we are going to see more options that are offered to our link existing option. If we click on it, there are multiple options. So for instance, there is an existing meta option, but to demonstrate this I need to have an existing meta for our post. This option is truly useful when you already have an existing metadata linked to your post and you want to use that metadata into your schema. That metadata might have been added by this ACF field or other plugins like metabox.io or CMB2, or there are a number of ways to add a metadata for any post. But to demonstrate this one, I'm going to this edit post and I'm going to activate custom fields. So if these custom fields are activated, there is this new meta box added by WordPress. It already has our existing metadata that we have been added. So let's create a new one. And I'm just assuming that it is added by ACF, number of pages, right? And its value is 33 or 330. It's a big book. Add custom field. So now this custom field is added. Let's just update this. And if we get back and click on this number of pages, property ID, and in the link existing we click on existing meta and we try to search for ACF. It is not found, so let's just update it. It will reload the page and then we shall check whatever metadata is available for us to link. So let's click on it again, search for ACF. So this ACF number of pages data is added. We are just linking to an existing metadata there. Let's just update, go to our post, view the post and click on schema tester. So these number of pages, that is equal to 330, are added using an existing metadata for the post. Okay, let's try to add another field, and this time let's add an author. So for the author, what we are going to do is that we are going to link the post author. It shall not be the case in the real world scenario, but I'm just giving an example there that whatever the author of the post is also an author of this book as well. And let's just update, go to our tester and reload, and now our author with the type of thing has been added. This is the name of the author for this plugin, but it should be not be the thing. What we need to do is that it should be the person. So let's get back in the author. Here we can define it's a person, right? An author can be a person or an organization. Most probably it's a person. Let's try to reload one more time. And this time this author is assigned the type of person and it is automatically detected by this plugin as well. Let's try to add more fields. Okay, this time I'm going to link an existing taxonomy. So let's add genre for this book and we are going to link existing taxonomy. And which existing taxonomy is that? It's post tag. So we are going to link the post tags, and these post tags should be used as genre of this book. Like it shall sound a little strange, but let me show you what does it mean. Now if we get back and on the right side, these are the tags. These are standard post tags. So let's try to add horror and fiction. We have added 2 tags. Let's just update this, and if we get back and try to reload, click on it, and there are 2 genres. One is fiction, another is horror. So it's very simple for you to link or use your existing data and create schema from your existing data, any schema type. Let's further elaborate and try to add other fields. This time there is an option of linking existing schema item. I shall save it for another video. For now, let's just go to this post date published. So let's just use that. Date published, and we are linking it to the post date published. And update, get back, try to reload, and this time a date published is added, but it's only showing years. What we can do is that we can go into our settings, go to special, and we can add different date formats as are offered by PHP Date Format. So if we save this, and this time if we reload the page, and it should give us the right date format. So it's quite easy now. Let's go to next property, and this time you can even link to post excerpt or featured image. So let's try to use this post featured image, and it should be image. So image for the book is linked to the post featured image, right? And update. This is our edit post. Well, let's try to add an image there. We don't have any media, so let's upload a new one. So it's a simple book image. Edit, let's update. Let's go to our structure data tester again and try to reload. So it's a book, and its image is linked to the featured image that we have just uploaded. So we are creating all this schema from the existing data that we already have for our post. So let's go to our schema and try to add other properties as well. So we have seen these options like post title, excerpt. Similarly, you can link to post excerpt. For instance, if we just whatever the description of the book is found in the post excerpt, so it's a description, update, and if we go to edit post and try to add excerpt right over here, let's add some dummy text over here, or just putting anything. Update, get back, try to reload. So our book now has a description, and it is picking up from the post excerpt. So whatever we add in the excerpt shall be shown here. Let's get back, try to see what other options we have got. So we have seen how we can link to date modified or published, post content similar to post excerpt, post IDs. There can be some cases where you might need to add link to post IDs or post log, post GUID even. And if we are using this schema for terms, we can even use term title, term URL, and all these options as well. We can also link to blog name as well. So let's try to do that as well. So it's a blog name, and what properties we have got. So let's bind it to creator, I'm just making this up. Blog name should not be a creator, but just want to show you how this link existing works. So it's a creator and it should be a organization. Let's update. Go to structured data testing, reload. And this time our creator is an organization, which is a uSchema demo, which is the name of the site we have got. So in the general, so its name is uSchema demo. Similarly, we can link to blog name or blog URL, blog description, blog logo as well. So these are all the options that are available in the link existing mode. We have seen create fields, but it definitely requires more elaboration, and we shall add a video for that as well. Similarly, there is a link existing a schema item option, and we shall see that in the coming videos. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos.